Hey guys, so we're gonna make this black forest. Woohoo! So it's my version, obviously. There's so many versions of black forest that we don't know exactly what's the original of it. But I'm sure it used to be like a chocolate sponge, cream, sour cherries, and brandy. Or maybe kirsch. Don't know. So mine is gonna have dark chocolate mousse, vanilla diplomate, so the chocolate mousse I've seen on previous video. Vanilla diplomate, seen on previous video. Have a little search. And the chocolate genoise that we've made as well previously. There it is. Okay. So we're gonna make two, yeah? So if you see that recipe on my channel of the chocolate genoise, I've made two. The chocolate recipe, the chocolate mousse recipe, it's based on 1 liter. The one I've shown. I've done half of the recipe to make those two gateaux. So 500-gram whipping cream, the base. And diplomate, I've made with 200 crème pâtissière, 360-gram whipped cream. And yeah, so that's the recipe for those two gateaux. All right? Make sense? Okay, so I'm gonna unmold this one with a blade, super easy. Go all around. And it should pop out. Et voilà. Okay, let's do it, yeah? Okay, so I'm gonna slice my genoise in 3 layers. There you go. Okay. It's so soft and so moussey. It's beautiful. Let's cut the other one. All right, so I've got those little cherries. They are guillotines in kirsch. Personally, I don't like them so much. But into the gateau, it's really good because I'm gonna add some raspberries as well. So, be very fruity. And I've made a little syrup here. So that syrup is like 200 gram of sugar, 400 of water. Obviously, let it cool down. And I put some kirsch alcohol and a little bit of that syrup too. 10% of the alcohol for the amount of syrup. Okay, let's start. The build. Okay, so this one. Check. Actually, I'm gonna put some paper. I'm gonna put some paper just in case it stick to the cardboard. So we start with the base. Syrup all around, especially in the corners, you see. So a full brush of syrup, yeah? Nicely soaked. The base of the gateau, be careful, don't soak it too much though. Because it might go through and then it won't hold itself. Makes sense. So this is cut wet at the top. There is fine, yeah? Okay, so my both genoise are soaked. Now we're gonna put the chocolate mousse. So a nice swirly swirly. Okay, now I'm gonna put the cherries inside my chocolate mousse. So now we put a little bit more layers of chocolate mousse on top of the cherries to stick the second sponge. There. Bit more syrup on this one. Everywhere, yes. Yeah, lovely. Now vanilla diplomate. Right to the edge. We're gonna put some juicy frozen raspberries. So when they're defrosted, they're nice and juicy. Everywhere. We make sure every slice will have enough fruits. I even crack few like that. It's like a seasoning, yeah? Give it a gentle press. Mousse on top. Just enough to stick the sponge, yeah? All right. And the last, nice and square. Well, round. Last syrup. That's it. Now we're just gonna smooth the sides with a palette knife. Then we're gonna put it slightly in the freezer for it to set. So then we can better handle it to finish all around. See you in a bit. Okay, so those little ones has hardened all around the top, so it's more easy to handle, you see. I can just take that off and walk around. So the thing is, I have that much left of mousse, which is good, yeah? So it's a good recipe to finish everything exactly with no left end of anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna spread the rest of my mousse all around at the top. There. That will help to stick the chocolate shaving. So the both mousse are very light. The genoise is extremely light. The sharpness of the raspberry, the sweetness of the cherry. Can you imagine that? Lovely bites. Lovely bites. Okay, my mousse is all around. Nice. Chocolate shaving. I haven't made those. I'm not that crazy. And we stick that all around above the box. At the top. Give it a press so it sticks. Lovely. That's it. Cocoa powder now. Cocoa powder on the sides as well. A very light icing, just to reminding that there is a vanilla mousse in. Et voilà. A beautiful black forest, guys. How do you like it? Let's test it. Ah. Imagine. Wow. That's one portion. Enjoy.